In this video, I'll show you how children can subconsciously become aware of parts of speech and question words and the connection between the two using the visual story. The classroom activity is of course created from the picture book The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. Because it is an easy English story for kids and children aren't troubled with understanding the content and the plot, it can be used way beyond learning basic English vocabulary. So let me show you how the children can become subconsciously aware of the part of speech in English grammar. Hi, I'm Mia and I create English classroom activities that every teacher can use in their classrooms, and I also create games which kids can play with their parents at home. The English language learning method that I use to teach kids English is called ChessBook teaching. It's easy English for kids because the way English language is used, kids can easily understand absolutely everything because it is addressed the way children understand the world. If you want to learn how, just follow the links in the description below. So, sentence structures, parts of speech and question words. Let's start with the parts of speech. Now that we have our visual story up and with the basic vocabulary taken from the picture book clearly displayed, we play the game. I say, you tell me and show me. It's a simple and easy English and it can be played in two different ways. The teacher speaks the question word, for instance, who, and then the child searches for the word, one word that is fixed and displayed below that very question word. The child chooses one word of their own choosing and reads it aloud. Of course, they also need to point out and show the chosen word. Let's say what. Can you find what?
Okay.
Where does it say what? What? So read what and give me the answer.
Okay.
Perfect. Who?
Who? A cocoon.
Good. Where?
A armchair.
Can you read the question first?
Where? On the chair.
Perfect. What do?
What do? A fly.
A fly.
Fly.
Just fly, yeah? When?
When? Tuesday.
Do you remember when we played the game and we said he sleeps? Did we say he sleeps Monday?
No.
What did we say?
On
On?
Monday.
On Monday. Now, if I ask here when, what are you going to say?
On Tuesday.
Exactly. This way, the child combines action, visualization, and reading. And that combination enables and enhances the child's understanding. The more challenging one is when the teacher speaks out the word and the child needs to find the spoken word in all the visual story, and then once they find the word, they need to tell what question word the word is under. Some cheese. So you point to the cheese?
Cheese? What?
Perfect. Behind the bridge, not the bridge, behind the bridge.
Behind bridge.
Where is the bridge?
Where?
But where is the bridge? Show me the bridge. Behind the bridge. Behind that's the bridge, yes. So show me behind the bridge.
Behind the bridge. Where?
Okay. Vita.
Vita. Who?
It is better, of course, that you start with the easy one. There, however, is another version of parts of speech activity. We take away the hands-on part of the activity, which makes it rather challenging, but not impossible. And for that game, children need to prepare the so-called word web. And the activity using the word web in the next video. Okay, give me the like for this video and stay tuned. Best way? Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell to be notified when my next video is out. For any detailed information about the ChestBook teaching, just check the links below in the description. See you next week.